What's up guys, Alex over here. Welcome back to another quick video. This is not a mountain bike related video, but this is more like help. Hopefully you guys can help me, and let me show you what I got. So this past Monday I just got a new car. Well, not new to me. It's a 2015 Audi A3, and I ended up getting the Premium Plus edition. This is the Quattro version of it, and this is the one that I got. However, I used to have Volkswagen a while back, and I know that you can actually open the windows by long pressing this unlock and then roll them up by using this, and it also closes the sunroof. This one has a big sunroof on it, but the day when I saw the car online, the pictures had the sunroof open. So when I went to test drive it and everything, the sunroof did not want to open. And then I did already check the fuse. I checked the fuse already. Fuse is okay. But then it came to my attention, and I don't know if this is related to the issue that I'm having, because this thing will not roll the windows down. It doesn't matter how long I press this thing. So maybe there's some Audi enthusiasts, Volkswagen enthusiasts over there that know what might be going on right here, and I will truly appreciate your help, because I think the two things that are happening right now are related to each other. Now, if you own a Volkswagen or an Audi or whatever the case might be, and you might know what might be going on, let me know. I haven't checked if there's any power going to the sunroof, but I don't know if there's also a relay that might be acting up or something like that. And if you have experienced this in the past, let me know what you guys think, or what I can check on this thing, because I really want it to work. And I think this is the best shot that I got, because I have done some research on it and I cannot find anything at all besides just checking the fuse. I don't know if I didn't see anything unplugged or anything like that, but I will truly appreciate you guys' help with this. I know this is not a mountain bike related video, but I think it's gonna hit a lot of the audience out there, because there's a lot of Volkswagen and Audi fanatics around the world. And I actually really do like this car a lot. I already installed the he comes with the screen interface for the sound system and everything, and I already installed a aftermarket Android Auto and Apple CarPlay thing on it, and it's kind of working. It was not that cheap, but at the end of the day, I really do use that feature on the car, and that's what I have had on my cars for the past I don't know how many years. But yeah, I'm concerned with the sunroof not opening, or the switch seems to be working. I mean, I don't know. Like I said, I have not checked power going into that. I did check the fuse. The fuse is okay, but if there's a relay, I checked the fuse inside the car. I didn't see a fuse for the sunroof or the window power. I mean, because the windows do roll up and down no problem from inside the car. But like I said, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be related to this issue that is happening over here, that it doesn't want to roll down or up the windows when I long press the key. And that's something that all of them do. From, like, I used to have 2002s Volkswagens, 2001s, 2000, and they've been doing it ever since. So I'm pretty sure those two issues that I'm having are related. And the sunroof doesn't open from inside at all, like even if I press the switch. So if you are familiar with this scenario, or if you have experienced something like that, please let me know what you did, and I would greatly appreciate it. I guess that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys, and I guess I will link the affiliates for the Android thing that I use, or the Apple CarPlays that I use in this thing. It really took me like 20 minutes to install. It's super easy, plug and play, and it works super fast, and it works really smooth. I'll leave it in the affiliates links in the description below. But other than that, that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys, and I guess I will see you on the trails. Let's ride.